Welcome to the VLS 350 Rotary tutorial, where we will cover the basics of rotary setup and printing procedures. The first thing we're going to do is open up the UCP software, turn on the laser, and home the Z-axis. Homing the Z-axis will bring the bed all the way down, allowing you to remove the bed and insert the rotary tool correctly. Now insert the rotary tool by connecting its plug into the plug end on the bottom of the bed. You will know if you have done so if the rotary turns and calibrates itself. Now take a pair of calipers and measure the diameter and thickness of your cup or bottle. The thickness is relative to the material you are using, and etching results will vary. Also keep in mind that you'll need to either measure or calculate the circumference in order to continue on to the next step. Now insert your cup or bottle into the rotary tool by pulling up on the red tab and tightening it firmly between the two ends. And press down on the red tab to lock the cup or bottle in place. Open a new Illustrator project. Then insert your width and height dimensions. Take note that the circumference you measured before should be your height dimension. This allows the artboard to represent the total amount of design space you have to work with. Once you have your picture, design, or lettering done, now we need to print it. So now we need to go to File, Print, select the VLS 350 from the drop-down menu, then go to Setup and Preferences. Now we can choose our material. Now we can choose the thickness, and then select the rotary tool, and then it'll ask us for the diameter. And from here, hit Apply. From here, go into Manual Controls, and then into the Engraving tab, and choose Merge Page, and then hit Apply. Then hit Print, and print. Once your design is entered UCP software, you want to move your bounds back and forth to make sure that it'll fit within your parameters of your cup. It's important to get this right. If not, you could potentially ram the nozzle into the vise. Most prints take 10 to 20 minutes to do, but depending on how large your cup is and your design, times may vary. Before handling etched material, make sure to clean it under a water bath. During the etching process, microparticles are produced that can potentially cause harm or irritation to the skin or eyes. Once your cup or bottle is cleaned, you are done. Make sure to clean up your area and be sure not to leave out any other unwanted or unused material. Either take it home with you or throw it away. Before leaving the makerspace, please return the rotary tool and any other laser beds to the working technician. Thanks for watching this VLS tutorial.